Where's me lady? Oh, there she is. Ah! Oops. That was a mistake. Oh well. Motherfucker. The feels, man. Yeah. I wept. Like, wept for a bonfire. I cried so much, like, I don't know. I used a whole box of tissues. Get real. Costing him cash. Ah ha ha! I don't know what it does. What the fuck? Why do the arrows move so slow? That's pretty funny. Oh shit. I see you there, motherfucker. For real? Oh no. They'd probably be ready now. I don't know how to get back to that fucking shortcut. So, I think it was around here. Oh wait, there we go, 308. Seeing an enemy and doing something about it are two different things, Sempy. You got that right, man. You definitely got that right. Ah, ha! Success, hey? Success. Piss off, retrieval. Can't see. Ah, fucking motherfucker. Yes. Did you burn him? I'll still have it. Yeah. Oh, there's one item over there, and there's one back up where all those skeletons were. I'd laugh if there's like a little drop just before you. Wait, is this a boss? Oh, more of this shit. Oh, another one of these guys. %0 mapping. Definitely chew on that. Well, I'm drinking a Monster. You'd think I'd be able to remember. And I have a coffee. You and your bloody faces. I remember where to go. I thought that they wouldn't be there. If only he didn't have such high poise. Oh, come on. Nah. So this is where I'm gonna pretty much be stuck at, is... I don't need... Oh. Is getting past these guys without dying. Woo, choo choo. Oh wait, actually.
Game over.
Ah shit. Yo mama. What are you doing, Les? I've never ever heard you say yo mama. Ah yeah, you can piss off. Ah.
Game over. Oh shit. Wait, he's bad.
Alright, if that's the way.
Where'd he go? Did I kill him? Where the fuck is my health gone? Help please, someone? Where's my health? Where did my health go? Where's my health? Ah! Oh shit. The old right controller Rooney. Ah, dickhead. Fuck your mother. I'm finished.
What did I ever?
You're an asshole. You fucking pillage and plunder everyone here. I have no idea, to be honest. Don't know what happened. Oh shit. Oh shit. Help, someone. Please, I need help. I'm gonna like... Someone please help me. What do I do? So it's a good thing I killed him, yeah? Oh, looks like I'm getting up there. I don't know. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What do I do? Does anyone have tips for like wall running? I need help. Oh wait, oh shit. I got up. All good. It's all good. Here's the big guy. Okay. That wasn't very nice. What, is that thing just like one shot ya? Demon Souls jump. There's the big guy. Big motherfucker. Ah, no, he just had to do that. Yep, there's the big guy in bones. I was gonna say in flesh and bones, but... Wait. There. Yeah. Oh shit. Why would you kick him? Oh, so you can full on shield parry this guy. Just freaking die, will ya? What the fuck, man? Wait. Ooh, an item. Hello. Hello. Oh, come on, that's not even an item. Damn. Okay, so that's one dead. There's an item there. Oh, that is so not nice.